Here is a 6-month post-installation look at our stream site here in Raleigh, and wanted to show you the plant growth after 6 months. So you'll see our live stakes here and trees, coir along the bank. Looks like we have a good stand of live stakes and natives here. Some weeds have moved in, but that's okay. So I would call this a good success in spite of the big storms we've had here, and we have had a number of 1, 2, and 3 inch storms throughout the summer. You can kind of see that this bank is holding up well, and we've got a good stand here. Let's take a look down at edge of water. That's holding up really well. The coir is still there, the stakes are still there. You can see a lot of pressure, a lot of water pressure on this bank is holding up really well, but everything is still intact. Lots of root growth. I think probably what needs to be added, and that's why we're here today, is at the top of this bank, maybe some natives like Virginia sweetspire, or maybe some river birch, some smaller trees. They get some roots to kind of stabilize the top of this bank. But overall, after 6 months, I would say that this is a real success.